let's draw today this one.
So let's start. So I will go this direction. So I'm doing a little bit dark today because I seen that my videos are not really dark, but you should have to draw a little bit light. So this is the first rectangular shape I did. Now from here I'm going to turn this one and it will go other side here, and this will come here. So I will move this one a little bit up. So this was my line, almost on the line, and it will go. And from here, this is little bit tilted, not going straight, tilted. And the width, whatever I can see over here, same width I will try. Little bit big and small is totally fine. From here, I will go one here, and then it will connect from here like this, like it's folded this way. And from here again, this one I will try to go this side, kind of like a little bit curvy. I will start from here and I will go here in the middle of that, not exactly here, a little bit here. I will start folding it. I'm turning here and I will make sure I will give a little bit gap here. So this one is turning and it's going to this one, and from here and from here. So before I sketch, I always make them light. Now I'm going to do the shadow where the darkest area will be. So this is the line next to that, and I'm doing just a little bit dotted line, or let me do it a little bit dark. Then after that I'm going to erase this part, and this is the line, right? So from here it will start and it will go kind of like this shape. Second area will be, so this was my line, this was my line. Over here, skinny one, to show the shadow of this line. So this is going to be dark area, and from here, and this is the bottom one. So from here, pull it a little bit down here, and then shadow will be here. So this area is going to be dark. Now I'm going to do the middle range. Like if I will do 3B here, so maybe 6B, then 3B will be here. So suppose this is 6B, then this area is going to be 3B. So this is the line I will just connect over here. So you will know this area, and little bit I will leave little bit of space here, white over here, and then I will shade this area. This is also going to be 3B. This area, when we are shading, we don't do just one single, little bit darker and lighter. So when I will shade it, we will know. Over here, this is, we already did the 6B, so after that it's going to be little bit lighter area over here. Same thing here. Suppose this is like a 3B, so this is 2B or more lighter will be here, this area. And over here, this is my line. I'm curving here, from here, this line. It's going to create the shadow here. The whole thing is shadow here. And we will just leave a little bit white here, this tiny triangle. And on this one, I'm going to use this line and one more. This is going to be same thing like 3B, 3B here. So I'm going to start with my 6B. Little bit darker area here. And this area. So don't do immediately like a darker shade over here. Keep doing layer by layer. Now we are going to do it over here. Now I'm going to use 2B. So 6B I'm using to create this line. Again I'm using 2B. So this has to be a little bit more sharp. add a little bit here and a little bit here. It's coming from here. My 6B. So before I use, I make sure I clean this one, and this area we have to go and make it a little bit gray shade. So I did a little bit here and here, so you can use pen eraser if it's really detail work you are doing, otherwise normal eraser is also fine. So I'm making it blurry, and I'm trying to not make really dark here. leave little bit white here and then shade super duper light. So when I'm blending, I'm just making sure this is dark and this is lighter area. I don't blend the whole thing. I want a little bit lighter shade over here. So now I will do little bit detailing, like this is little bit lighter area. Even this one has to be a little bit lighter and soft, not dark this much.